In 1854, Fort Verne was built on the vast expanses of steppe where the Great Silk Road once ran. The city quickly grew and developed. It was given a new name, Almaty, and for a long time was the capital of Kazakhstan. Alstyle was founded here in 1999. Today we are leaders in the sphere of wide-scale distribution. We supply smartphones, household appliances for home, office products, computers and accessories of world brands, networking, server, security, installation and industrial equipment. We continue the work of our ancestors, connect the countries with friendly trade relations and provide the markets of Kazakhstan and Kyrgyzstan with high-quality goods. More than 100 brands trust us, and half of them work on an exclusive basis. We cover 100% of the Kazakhstan market, which includes all major retail chains in the country: Teknodom, Sulpak, Mechta, Белый ветер, Alser, Evrika, Fora, 12,000 small and medium electronic stores. The country's largest food chains such as Magnum, Small, A-Store, and of course, traditional retail outlets. Alstyle owns the largest official chain of Xiaomi branded stores. We have opened dozens of stores in major cities of Kazakhstan and are rapidly opening new ones. Our staff consists of high-qualified specialists, which is increasing year by year. Instead of seeking assistance from outsourced companies, we develop our own divisions within Alstyle. The marketing division has professional-grade studios for photography, videography, and sound recording. Everything you need to produce original content. According to users, we have created the most convenient, user-friendly B2B portal in Kazakhstan and Kyrgyzstan. The company has its own service centers and research laboratory. In 2021, we set up our own computer assembly production. Also, we are actively developing our own fiber optic production. At the same time, Alstyle cooperates with Eco Network on an ongoing basis and actively participates in environmental protection. We have a sophisticated logistics system. We swiftly and carefully deliver the goods to any location within the country, as well as close-by cities abroad. The total area of our warehouses exceeds 9,000 square meters. In 2022, they stored more than 9 million kilograms. This exceeds the total weight of several terracotta armies. Our turnover grows every year. In 2021, we made it to the Forbes top 50 largest companies with 47th place. In 2022, we have become the fastest growing company and made it to the 35th place of the list. We participate in projects, tenders, and other local and global events. We are actively developing the Sergek intellectual security system. Our equipment is used by such giants as Kazakhmys, Kegok, and Kaspi Bank. We manage all aspects of brand development ourselves, including social media advertising, planning sporting events, organizing exhibitions, filming video clips, and much more. We are constantly in touch with our partners and promptly solve all the tasks. We make working with us easy and pleasant. Our clients trust us. Survey results indicate that 96% of respondents are happy to be working with us. It is reliable with us. It is profitable with us. Success is awaiting you with us. Join us. Alstyle. People, innovation, leadership, reliability.